show you how to put a fresh new twist on chicken Parmigiana. Let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll need a fresh chicken cutlet, some extra virgin olive oil, fresh basil, sliced Roma tomatoes, some sliced fresh mozzarella, all-purpose flour, some egg wash, and some cracker meal, or breadcrumbs if you wish, and salt and pepper to taste. I have a preheated saute pan with some extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna dredge the chicken cutlet in some flour, dip it in the egg wash, and then coat it into the cracker meal, and it's ready to go to the pan. After a few minutes, it's golden brown on one side and we're ready to turn it. We're gonna remove the excess grease. Place the super ripe Roma tomatoes on top of the chicken cutlet, like this. Add the mozzarella cheese on top, and we're gonna place it in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. We're ready to take the chicken out of the oven. The cheese is melted but not brown, and we're ready to plate it up and garnish with fresh basil. Buon appetito.